Hey, how's it going? Adam McChesney here. I'm going to give you 3 tips in today's video that you need to be implementing immediately in order to rank your Google business listing better. Now, these are things that you can be doing on your own if you don't want to hire a marketing agency like ourselves in order to help you get more business from your Google business listing. The first thing is getting more reviews. So reviews are literally the name of the game, and that's going to be the one thing that even if we are doing your Google business listing marketing, we cannot obviously go out and get you more reviews. Now, we have automated software that can help in this process, as well as most CRMs that have that out there, but that is something that you as a business owner need to make sure you have a process and a system along with automations in order to get more reviews, because this is really twofold. The more reviews that you get, with those being 5-star reviews, the higher Google will absolutely rank you. The better quality written reviews that are there with the customer explaining the service you provided, where it was located, and their experience, that will obviously help it rank more. But also having people leave reviews that you are then able to respond to. Where I see people get a ton of reviews is they're very generic reviews, but they don't end up going and responding to each and every single review. When you respond to each and every single review, Google will also rank you higher within their algorithm. So it's really kind of a threefold process. Is one, you want to get more reviews. You want to make sure that they're quality written and not just a 5-star rating. Now, again, a 5-star rating review is better than no review at all. But if they can exponentially explain exactly what was done at the project or the service, where it was located, that is going to help you rank more. And then third and finally, you need to respond to those reviews individually, all while automating that process outside of responding to those reviews. So that is rule number 1 in order to actually rank your Google business listing higher. Step number 2, or tip number 2, is going to be posting to your Google business listing with pictures of projects, as well as posting to the platform at least once a week, if not more. So we do once a week for our clients. A lot of our clients will throw in other posts as well, but at least once a week at a minimum. These posts should be very well written, short and concise, explaining something that you have going on, ideally with a picture. And they should also have a call to action at the end, whether that call to action is for someone to call you, message you on the Google business listing, or driving traffic back to your website with a call to action with keywords baked in. So step number 2 is that weekly Google My Business post at minimum. Step number 3 is making sure that all of your citations are correct. So a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number, otherwise known as NAP, in any directory that's out there on the internet. So what Google is ranking you off of is based on, do you have a Facebook page? Do you have Instagram, Yelp, Yellow Pages, all of those platforms that are out there? There's really about 100 that are top tier citations in directories that are out there. You want to make sure that all of your information is correct. Now, we have a software that does this for our clients, but you can go manually do this. You can buy software that's out there, but you want to make sure that you have all of the basic citations that are out there. You want to make sure that they're all active and that the information, your name, your address, and phone number are all correctly. The more citations that you have that are out there, the more citations than you have than your competitors, you are also going to rank higher on the Google business listing. So those 3 things are going to be the key aspects to take your Google business listing to the next level. Now, again, you can hire this stuff out, but these are things everybody's always asking, what are 3 things that I can do, or what is something that I can do right now in my business for my Google business listing to rank it higher? And that's those 3 things. So getting more reviews, responding to those reviews as well. So kind of 1A, 1B. Number 2 is posting to the GMB at least once a week with pictures, call to actions, all of those types of things. And number 3 is going to be those local citations, making sure that your name, your address, and your phone number is prevalent and updated on all of those different platforms. They are looking at the Google business listing information as making sure that that is accurate across those other ones. So let me know if you have any questions. If you start to implement these things, have feedback, questions, insights, concerns, things like that, feel free to leave those in the comments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.